This is your reading for today. Your cards are Queen of Cups and Ten of Cups. So at night, when your head touches the pillow, there are these questions that start arising in your mind. The seeds that I'm planting, the path that I'm watering, will the flowers grow on that path? Am I going on the right path? I'm so tired and I'm so exhausted. Can I just lean for a moment on somebody and just catch my breath? And it's okay to think like that. You that I want to lean on somebody. You are a human being, and connection is something that we all thrive upon, and connection is something that we all want. But whenever our mind is putting us in a space where we are thinking that I am all alone and I have to do this all alone, and is there anybody for me at all? And I don't think there is anybody for me at all. It is a very clear indication of one simple fact: our mind and body is tired. So you need to rest and you need to recharge, and the world will not come crashing if you do this. So please take your rest. You are becoming, that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So, no, you are not a dull boy, but it's becoming all work and no play, and you're exhausted and tired, which is why the help also that is there around you, you're not able to look at it. You are still thinking that, oh, no, 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 this is not the right person, that is not the right person, they will not be able to do it, let me do it myself. Or maybe that person is already so tired, I don't want to burden the person anymore, so let me do it all myself. See, it's you who are tired, and because of which, when the mind is not rested, you are not able to make a firm decision, and you try to take everything upon yourself, and you end up feeling victimized that I'm all alone, there is no one for me, I cannot catch a breath. So please rest. The path that you're watering, is it worth it? Will the flowers grow? Yes, you have. And the other person who is there for you is your higher self. And I know that when you are so tired, this kind of a thing that your higher self is there, it does not sound like a very good suggestion. So you're like, okay, then it still means that it is just me and there is nobody else. But when you wake up in the morning, you wake up with a sense of a new beginning always, out of the questions. And this is an attitude that you have cultivated after a lot of waiting and heartbreak and balancing, waiting for the right people to come, the heartbreak of doing it alone, and the balancing, the fine balance that you've had to do. You have created this attitude all on your own, but you're so tired that you cannot see it, and any suggestion that your higher self is there is irritating. But you wake up in the morning and that is who you are. These are just the questions for the night, and unknown to you, you have created such a strong structure that very, very few people could have done it. And because of this, that garden is beginning to bloom, a new beginning is coming, and a very, very beautiful choice is going